Morning class. Today we're going to go to the next subtopic, 4.4 on page 5, multiplication of a matrix by a number. You multiply a matrix by a number. We can also call it scalar multiplication. Okay, so example 9. Given that matrix A is like this, find each of the following. A, 3 times matrix A. So you rewrite, and then you copy A down as the matrix. 3 multiply with this matrix. What will it be? So it's not difficult. Scalar multiplication means the number outside you multiply into all the elements. Okay, first one, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times -1, -3. And the last one, 3 times 0 is 0. So this is your answer. Okay, so next one, B, -1/2 times matrix A. So you just copy down the matrix. Equals to, okay, first element would be -3/2. Use your calculator to help you. Second, -5/2. Some of you might ask, can I use decimal? Yeah, it is acceptable also. 2, 0. Your answer. Okay, example 10. Also the same, just that you need to minus and plus. What do you do first? You minus first, you plus first, or you multiply first? Of course, we have to do multiplication first. So when you find your answer later, you multiply in first all the numbers. So you multiply in. Okay, for this case, you can only use 1/2 to multiply in, because later you need to minus the whole thing. So don't take the -2 with you. Don't take the negative with you here. Okay, you find out the answer yourself. Then the next one would be 4.4.1, solving matrix equation involving addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication. Okay, find the value of x and y in here. They ask you to find x, y. So read the question. 3 and a matrix plus 2 and a matrix equal to 2, 7. Okay, so multiply in first. It become -18 3y plus 2x minus 2 equals to 2, 7. Okay, so these two matrices plus together, you get 2, you get 7. Rewrite again, -18 plus 2x. You can't do anything because there was an x here, you leave it like that. 3y plus minus 2 equals to 7. Okay, so afterwards, what do? You have to compare, because this is the equal sign, meaning that this matrix is actually equals to this matrix. So you separate them out. I take the first element here, -18 plus 2x. It is equal to 2. Okay, then I rearrange it. 2x equals to my -18 move here, become plus 18, become 20. X equals to my 2 bring over, divide by 2, become 10. Hashtag. Okay, then here, second element, 3y minus 2 also equals to 7. So copy it down. 3y minus 2 also equals to 7. So 3y equals to 9. Bring the -2 over, become plus 2. Y equals to 3. 3 bring over, become divide by 3. Look at this. Right? Okay, example 12. Given that a minus this equals to this, determine the order of matrix A. Now they are asking you to determine the order. Okay, that day I told you before, plus and minus, you can only plus and minus a matrix when they are of the same order. You see, all these order are the same. When they ask you about order, remember red crescent, R times C, right? How many rows times how many columns? So they must be the same order, these three matrices. So you can just take this one, you find out what is the order. How many rows? 1 row, 2 row. Okay, 2 times column. How many column? See, you count lajur, berapa lajur dia? 1 column only. 1 column only. 2 times 1. Hence finds matrix A. Okay, so you got your answer here, and then they ask you to find matrix A. What do you do? Okay, you want to find A, meaning that you have to move this to the other side. Okay, before you move, you can try to multiply in the number outside first. A minus, it becomes 6, this one becomes negative 2, equals to 0, 5. A equals to 0, 5. This one, the whole thing move over, become plus 6 minus 2, right? The value inside, you cannot change the sign, yeah? You only change the sign at outside. Equals to 6, 3. Yeah, so your matrix A is 6, 3. Okay, so page 5 done. You have a lot of exercise here on page 6. Here. Okay, you try to do all according to the example I gave you. Then I will guide you on certain questions only, such as question 9. Find matrix P in the following matrix. Okay. They ask you to find M. M is here, is a minus M. How do you make it positive then? How to make it positive? Okay, question 9. 2, 1, 0, negative 2, 1. You copy down, yeah? Okay, I want to make it positive. I want to find only M, right? You can move this to the other side. But how about this? You move it back, move to the left. And then your negative M move to the right, it becomes positive M. So this one copy down. Okay, when this whole matrix move here, positive matrix become negative matrix. 2, 2, negative 1, 0 equals to M. Okay, now you find your M. How to find? Okay, multiply in your scalar multiplication first. 2, negative 4 becomes 0, equals 2. Minus 2, 2, negative 1, 0 equals to M. Okay, what is your answer? Straight away. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus minus become 1. Negative 4 minus 2, negative 6. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay, hashtag. This is your answer for M. Okay, 9 done. Then we try 11. Given the matrix equation is this plus this equals to 13, 8. Find the value of H plus K. They want H plus K, not only H and K. First thing, also the same. This is also called matrix. Multiply in your number outside. Become 6 2H plus K 2K equals to 13, 8. So what do? You plus these two together, it becomes 13. So you can compare now. 6 plus K equals to 13. K equals to 13 minus 6 become 7. Okay, how about your H then? 2H plus 2K equals to 8. Have you known your K? Yes, you know your K is 7. So you replace it in here because you want to find H. So 2H equals to 2 times 7. Oops, this is plus, equals to 8. It becomes 2H. This one, 14, move over, become 8 minus 14. It becomes negative 6. H equals to negative 3. Hashtag. Okay. Oh, this is not the final answer. So what do? They want H plus K. H plus K. H plus K equals to negative 3 plus 7. You get 4. This is your answer. Okay. The rest, try out yourself. I will just guide you on one more question here. 16. Find the value of M in the following matrix. This minus this equals to this. Where is your M? Look for your M. Okay, M is here. Okay. Outside M, you have a 2. So you multiply in. I don't want to do the whole thing. I just choose what I want to find. 7 minus M equals to 1. I rewrite the whole thing here. 7 minus M. You cannot just minus M. You have to multiply your 2 in. Become minus 2M equals to 1. Okay, you want to find M. What do? So negative 2M equals to 1 minus 7. Negative 2M equals to negative 6. So M, you want M only, the whole thing, you bring to the other side, become negative 6. Negative 2 multiply M. Move over, become divide. Negative 2 equals to 3. Okay, so you finish all of this. Then I will proceed with the next video.